Let's talk about an easy way to save money. I hope this will be a light bulb moment for you. I'm TJ with Eco Elements. Today I want to talk to you about how much energy the light bulbs in your house are actually consuming. In front of you, you're going to see 3 bulbs. On the left-hand side, you're going to see an incandescent. In the center, you're going to see a CFL. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see an LED. This is an incandescent light bulb. This burns 60 watts of power every hour. A lot of times people think that 60 watt actually means how bright it is. That's not referring to that. It's actually referring to how much energy it's eating. The second bulb we have in front of us is what's called a CFL, or the one that looks like the curly fry from Arby's. This stands for compressed fluorescent. We turn this guy on. This little guy is going to burn roughly 25 watts an hour. The last one in the run here is an LED. This little guy burns 9.5 watts an hour. If I've got 10 of these bulbs, the incandescent, that's going to burn 600 watts an hour. If I have 10 naturally CFLs, that's going to burn 250 watts an hour. And if I've got 10 LEDs, that's going to burn roughly 99 watts an hour or 95 watts an hour. So when we look at those bulbs, that's how much energy they're eating. Now, the other 2 things to take into consideration, this incandescent as well as this CFL actually burn hot. They can run anywhere from 150 to 300 degrees. So if you think about that in the summertime, if I've got a bunch of lights that I have that are on that are burning hot, now my air conditioner is having to fight mini heaters inside of my living space. If you utilize LED, this bulb will actually burn cold and won't be emitting much heat, if any at all. I hope this was illuminating. To find out more, go to ecoelementspro.com, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Good. Okay, this is the thumbnail for the different, what's the video, Tom?
This is the thumbnail for different types of bulbs.